Hi everyone, this is Jack Menhorn, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make R2-D2 sounds using massive synth. So right now I have just an empty project with one instance of massive as it just comes loaded up. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn the amp down on the oscillator so that we don't get any sound. Then I'm going to turn the amp all the way up on the noise. So then I'm going to set filter 1 to high pass 4. Turn the resonance all the way up. So if I set a knob to that, now I have a better control. And now you can play around with this a bit more to get a better authentic R2 if you want. You can try different filters. I mean, if you use a low pass, you're going to get more of that noise going on. There are ways to play around with it, but that's pretty simple. Just set any sort of synth similar to massive to just noise, color all the way down, amp all the way up, a filter with resonance all the way up, and then just mess with the cutoff, and then now you have R2. Thanks for watching.